Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can connect WhatsApp button with Facebook page. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook app. After that, you will see three dotted on the top right and click on it. Here you will see your page and click on your page. After that, click on switch and your Facebook ID will switch on your Facebook page. After that, click on profile. After this, you will see three dotted on the right side and click on it, and then click on add action button. After this, click on edit button. After this, click on send WhatsApp message, and then click on connect WhatsApp account. After this, here you will select your country code. After selecting the country code, here you will write your exact number. After entering the number, click on send code, and you will receive a 5-digit code on the WhatsApp. Just I receive 5-digit code 56780, and then click on verify code. After clicking the verify code, and then click on not now. After this, click on save option, and now your Facebook page will attach your WhatsApp, and click after that I will show you. After refreshing the page, now you can see that our Facebook page is attached with WhatsApp. After clicking on WhatsApp, you can send message on the WhatsApp. So guys, in this video I describe how you can add WhatsApp with Facebook page. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel.